Philip, I'm concerned about Mr. George's condition. His blood pressure is fluctuating, and he seems to be experiencing increased discomfort.
Thank you for bringing this to my attention, Mihira. Let's review his chart and assess the situation.
I've checked his medication records and noticed that his pain medication dosage might need to be adjusted. He's been complaining of breakthrough pain.
That's a good point. We should consult with the doctor to determine if an increase in pain medication is appropriate.
I've also noticed that he's been less responsive to his calls for assistance. Should we consider a sitter to monitor him more closely?
That's a good suggestion. A sitter can provide additional support and ensure his needs are met.
I'm also concerned about his fluid intake. He's not drinking as much as he should, which could contribute to his discomfort.
Mihira, we'll need to encourage him to drink more fluids. Perhaps offering him smaller, more frequent sips can help. Mihira, let's go over what's happening with Emily. Based on my examination just now, it does seem like Emily has a viral infection, which is likely the cause of her high fever. A fever is indeed a common symptom with viral infections, and in most cases, especially in children like Emily who are generally healthy, it's usually not a cause for immediate alarm. However, it's really important we monitor it properly and make sure she's comfortable. So, for the next steps, I would like you to closely monitor her temperature at home, maybe every few hours, and especially if you notice any changes in her condition. It's also absolutely crucial to ensure she stays well hydrated. Encourage her to drink fluids regularly. Water, juice, or even ice pops can help. Are there any specific questions or concerns you have at this point?